Hello everyone. Here we are discuss about the second part of reproduction of fungi. That is the second method of reproduction of fungi. That is sexual method of reproduction of fungi. In first part we discuss about the asexual method of reproduction of fungi. In that we discuss the fragmentation, budding, binary fission and sporulation. These are the methods of asexual reproduction method. In second part we discuss the sexual method of reproduction of fungi in detail. So first one, as we know that methods of male and female gamete fusion in fungi, that is methods of reproduction of fungi. Okay, so what are the sexual method of reproduction of fungi? First one is the planogametic co-ovulation. Second one, gametangial contact. Third one, gametangial copulation. Fourth one, spermatization. And fifth one, somatogamy. So these are the sexual method of reproduction of fungi. So let us see one by one. Okay, so first one we discuss about the methods of plasmogamy, that is called as an we discuss about the gametangial contact, gametangial copulation and spermatization. Out of that, first one is gametangial contact. So in that gametangial contact, two gametes are involved. One is male gamete, second one is female gamete. So in case of male gamete, what happens here? The male gamete, in case of gametangial contact, that gametangial contact mostly takes place in the fungus Pythium. That means in Pythium fungus, that results in damping off. So in case of Pythium fungus, that gametangial contact method is takes place. So in case of that, the male gamete is called as an antheridium. That male gamete is a smaller than the oogonium. Here, here the male gamete it is called as an antheridium, and that female gamete, in case of gametangial contact, the female gamete is called as an oogonium. Next, the antheridium is a smaller than the oogonium. Then antheridium, that is male gamete which containing the male nucleus inside the antheridium, and the female gamete which containing the female nucleus inside them, or which is called as an egg shape. Okay, then regarding reproduction, what happens when antheridium and oogonium, that is male and female gametes, when it becomes matured, so what happens, the antheridium they are come close to the oogonium. Then at the point of contact, or that antheridium they are connected or attached to the female gamete, that is oogonium, and at the point of contact what happens, there is a formation of small tube. That tube is called as an fertilization tube. That is, the pore is formed at the point of antheridium, at the point of contact of antheridium and oogonium, that is male and female gamete. There is a dissolution of wall is takes place. That is, dissolution of oogonial wall and antheridium wall is takes place, and there is a formation of fertilization tube or small pore. बारीक छिद्र असं तयार होतं. Through that small pore, the male nucleus is transferred into a female one, and that male nucleus, that is antheridial nucleus, is connected with the oogonial nucleus, and in that way the reproduction of male and female gametes takes place. So this is about the gametangial contact. Here the picture is represented here, that is the fusion of such a male and female gametes, and such a kind of reproduction is takes place. Such a kind of reproduction is takes place in the case of Pythium fungus that result in damping off. म्हणजे काही आपण नर्सरीमध्ये रोपं बघतो, आपण काही नर्सरीतील रोपं उदाहरणार्थ टोमॅटो, ब्रिंजल असेल, बटाटा असेल, ह्याची जी रोपं आहेत ते जमिनीलगत काही वेळेस जमिनीलगत मुळासहित उपटून पडतात किंवा मान खाली टाकतात. ते मान खाली कशामुळे टाकतात? ड्यू टू द अटॅक ऑफ फंगस पिथियम नावाच्या बुरशीच्या अटॅकमुळे. आणि ही पिथियम नावाची जी बुरशी आहे, ह्याचं जे रिप्रोडक्शन आहे ते रिप्रोडक्शन कशा प्रकारे होतं? थ्रू द गॅमेटेन्शियल कॉन्टॅक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन इज गॅमेटेन्शियल कॉप्युलेशन. So the gametangial copulation, gametangial means what? involvement of two gametes, that is male and female gametes. And copulation means what? The content of male gamete and the content of female gamete that are come close to each other. As a result, there is a formation of new structure, then it is called as an coopulation. Okay, so here it is indicated the content of one gametangel is transferred the other through the pore or at the point of their contact. Okay, so this is called as an gametangel copulation. So here the explanation is given again. The content of the two gametangia, that means the content of male gametangia and the female gametangia. Here the content of male gametangia and the content of female gametangia here that are connected, or the content of male and female gametangia that are close to each others. Here the content of two gametangia fuse by the dissolution of their contact walls, leading to the formation of common cells in which the content of two gametangia mix with each other. That means what happens here, at the initial stage, the two gametangia, that is the male gametangia and female gametangia that are come close to each other, then the content of male and female gametangia, they are united at the common place. Next one, what happens? Third one, that gametangia, the content of male and female gametangia that are slightly fused with each other, when the reproduction process begins or it becomes forwarded, then what happens here, that gametangia is again increased in their size due to the complete involvement of male and female gametangia at a common place. And as a result of, when the complete content of male gametangia and female gametangia, when they are comes at a common point, so the resultant structure is formed, which is spiny and hard, then it is called as zygospores. Such a structure is called as zygospore. So in that way, what happens, such a gametangel copulation takes place. Okay, so this is about the gametangel copulation. So in that, what is meant by gametangel copulation? The content of male gametangia and content of female gametangia that are comes in contact with each other at a common point, and due to the fusion of both content of gametangia, a specific structure is formed, that is zygote or zygospore. That structure is, or that process is called as an gametangel copulation. So that gametangel copulation is occurred in different fungus here. Then next, third one is planogametic copulation. The third method of reproduction, sexual reproduction, planogametic copulation. So similarly, that is the just like an gametangel copulation, another method is planogametic copulation. So in case of that, there are three subparts, that is isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. So isogamy means what? As we know that isogamy, gamy means gametes, iso means similar. So the male and female gametes which are similar in their size, when such a gametes that are fused with each other at a certain points, and after fusion the structure, whatever the structure is formed, then it is called as the isogamy. In short or in brief, isogamy means what? The fusion of two similar gametes at a common point which are similar in their shape, size, etc. Anisogamy means what? Again same, just like an isogamy, but anisogamy means what? Fusion of male and female gametes, but the female gamete is slightly larger, that is female gamete, it is slightly larger than the male gamete. When such a fusion of such a gamete takes place, then it is called as an anisogamy. Next, oogamy. Oogamy, that means what? In case of oogamy, the male gametangia or male gamete, it's called as or the sperm, male gametangia which possesses the sperm, and female gametangia which possesses the eggs. Okay, so what happens when this sperm or the male gametangia, when they comes in contact with the female gametangia or that eggs, so what happens, there is a breaking or wall of that eggs is become broken up, and that male gametangia is enter, or the sperm is enters inside the eggs, and the fusion of female and male gametangia it takes place at a common point, then it is called as an oogamy. So isogamy means what? Fusion of similar gametes. Anisogamy means the fusion of one is larger and one is smaller gamete. Then last one, oogamy, the fusion of sperm and eggs at a common point, then it is called as an or this is called as an oogamy. So this is all about the planogametic coapulation. Next one is the somatogamy. So as we know that somatogamy, that type of reproduction is takes place mostly in rust fungus. मराठीत आपण त्याला तांबेरा असं म्हणतो. या तांबेरा प्रकारच्या बुरशीमध्ये हे सोमॅटोगॅमी किंवा आपण त्याला स्पर्मॅटायझेशन असं म्हणतो. तर स्पर्मॅटायझेशन इज नथिंग बट द फ्युजन ऑफ स्पर्मेशिया विथ द रिसेप्टिव्ह हायपी. एक एक आपण बघूया. सो व्हॉट हॅपन्स इन केस ऑफ स्पर्मॅटायझेशन प्रोसेस? द मेल गॅमेटेंजिया इज कॉल्ड एज एन स्पर्मेशिया. In case of spermatization, male gamete is called as an spermatia and female gamete is called as an receptive hyphae. So male gamete spermatia, female gamete receptive hyphae. So that spermatia, that is male gamete, which produces the spermatia, and spermatia is nothing but the small fungal spores which look like an seeds. And in female gametangia, that is receptive hyphae, which contains the female nuclei. So what happens at the point of contact or at the point of reproduction? What happens that male gamete, that is during spermatization process, that male gamete that produces the spermatia or seed-like fungal spores, and that spores that are carried out through the wind or water that are carried out and that are deposited over the female gametangia on the receptive hyphae. Female gametangia, that is on receptive hyphae, that spermatia get deposited. Then the spermatia act the pressure on the wall of that receptive hyphae, and through that that spermatia enters by breaking the wall of receptive hyphae inside that. And what happens? They enters inside the female gametangia, and the male and female nucleus that are fused with each other. So this is about the spermatization process. So in case of spermatization, again we discuss in short. Spermatization is nothing but, in case of spermatization, small spermatia which acts as a male gametes and receptive hyphae acts as a female gametes. Then when spermatia, when it becomes mature, so that spermatia that are seed-like structure of the fungal spores that are transferred through the air or wind, and that fungal spores they get deposited over the receptive hyphae. And when they deposited over the receptive hyphae, so they exert the force or exert the pressure on the wall of receptive hyphae. Due to that wall of receptive hyphae, it becomes broken up, and due to receptive hyphae is due to the breaking of receptive hyphae, that spermatia get enters inside the female gametangia, that is inside the receptive hyphae, and the reproduction takes place. So this is again the detailed process of spermatization. Then regarding somatogamy, in case of somatogamy, here there is no involvement of fusion of gametes directly. So what happens here in case of सोमॅटोगॅमी, इट विल बी ऑकर्स मोस्टली इन स्मट फंगाय. त्याला मराठीत आपण कानी असं म्हणतो. या कानी प्रकारच्या बुरशीमध्ये हे सोमॅटोगॅमी रिप्रोडक्शन आपल्याला दिसते. सो हायपा ऑफ ऑपोजिट मेटिंग टाइप्स आर मेन्शन. दॅट मीन्स वॉट? वन हायपा मीन्स द सिंगल थ्रेड ऑफ फंगस. बुरशीचा जर आपण एक थ्रेड जर घेतला किंवा एक पीस जर घेतला तर त्याला आपण हायपा असं म्हणतो. दॅट हायपा विच कंटेन दी न्यूक्लियाय. Okay, so in case of somatogamy, two receptive hyphae is involved. One is male receptive hyphae, another is female receptive hyphae. At the point of contact or at the point of reproduction, that hyphae that are comes close with each others, and they form a bridge in between the cells or that are connected, that is male and female receptive hyphae that are connected with each other. So as we know that male receptive hyphae contain the male nuclei and female receptive hyphae contain the female nuclei. So at the point of contact, the male nuclei get transferred into the female nuclei, or male nuclei is transferred into female nuclei, and the fuse, that male and female nuclei that are fused with each other in a such a way that reproduction of such a gametes is takes place. So this is about the somatogamy process. So spermatization is occurs in which fungus? That is rust. मराठीत त्याला तांबेरा म्हणतो, की तांबेरा रोग जो गव्हावरती किंवा बाजरीवरती, गव्हावरती किंवा ज्वारीवरती पण येऊ शकतो. अँड लास्ट वन इज somatogamy that occurs in smut fungi. That is that smut fungi is occurs on jawar mostly, sometime on wheat it is also occurs. Then that smut in Marathi it is called as an kani rog. So smut means what? Instead of grains, the grains is completely transferred into the blackish powder. So in case of such a fungus, somatogamy is takes place. So this is overall methods of reproduction or sexual method of reproduction of fungi. Which are those? First one is the gametangial contact. Second one is planogametic copulation. Third one is gametangial copulation. Fourth one is spermatization. And fifth one is somatogamy. So this is one of the most important question will be asked on that topic. That is explain in detail about the methods of reproduction of fungi along with the neat labeled diagram. So if you have any difficulty in that topic, so you can WhatsApp or message me personally. Thank you.